Day 2 of fireworks. Sky's doing a Roman candle this time. I don't think she lit it enough. I don't think you lit it enough. There you go. Woo!
I don't know how the hell that shit blew up.
You unraveled them into sections?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oops.
Oops.
Not my car alarm, at least.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to attempt to do this. This is a small section.
Oh, I just left the lighter in the middle of the main road.
Yeah, don't do that. Somebody will run over that crap. You were further that way.
What?
You were further that way. We're waiting for the car to leave. Okay, maybe not.
Freaking fast as hell.
Hey, wait! Let the car go through.
Joe works tomorrow, right?
Yes. Tomorrow night.
I think I cut that too short.
Use the stick thingies. Joe.
Use one of the punks to light it.
Yeah.
There's a lot of fireworks going off. I hear them all over the place. Why do I see this going bad?
Always gonna go bad. Run, 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 run!
Did you get you?
No, not even close.
I told you they go off quickly.
That's a little bit better. My camera had a fog on it. I didn't realize it. Let's see if this one he can get away from in time. Dogs are all upstairs whining.
Oh my god.
Ouch. Dogs are going crazy upstairs.
Sounds like some freaking machine gun.
This guy's setting off some firecrackers. Did it hit you?
No.
Okay, well that's good. More firecrackers. I don't want to get any closer.
Tell me he's
because-
not lighting it with a cigarette.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Got people behind us blowing fireworks. There's been fireworks over the trees that are across right there. And then there's somebody doing fireworks that way too. I can hear it but can't see it. Just had a bug land on me. Ew. Now it's bottle rockets.
Oh shit.
That one wasn't supposed to fall over, but apparently it did anyway.
one.
You put it all in one?
Yeah.
At least we're not the only ones setting off shit.
What's that?
I know, right? I want to see I'm doing it over here.
Like a poisonous strip, oh my god.
This one's gonna go off for a minute. It's a long strand. Damn. He's doing another big long strand of those firecrackers. See how long this one goes. Probably. Whew. This guy's doing another Roman candle, so we learned yesterday how not to light it, so maybe this time it'll be better. I don't think she lit it enough. Oh, there's fireworks on those trees over there. Must be their finale. I didn't want to get up this time. I can still see some of it through the trees. Or the tree that I'm sitting under, I should say. Okay, so this is the last Roman candle. Let's see if we can, not burn ourselves during this time. I think it's having some fun with him.